What's up, West? I'm Olivia Candow.
And I'm Maeve McGuire.
First up, we have some announcements. The upcoming band concerts are on May 15th and June 1st.
There are some upcoming choir concerts that are on May 20th.
For those attending the school dances, the 7th grade dance is on May 12th and the 8th grade dance is on May 19th.
Have you been reading and participating in the Great Titan Read? Now through May 24th, read as many books as you can.
Once you finish a book, head to the LMC and complete a book ticket and place it into the gold sparkly box at the circulation desk and earn a point for your grade level team. Let's see what the standing looks like so far.
Congratulations to the following Titan stars who were nominated by science and music teachers.
Indigo is very bright and friendly, and she is always willing to help her classmates. Indigo is particularly patient and kind with her classmates and is a leader in her peer group and has shown tremendous growth this year in science. Olivia demonstrates the Titan path by being kind to her classmates, teaching and supporting others when they need it, and having a positive attitude in class. Allie is always kind and has a smile on her face. She includes others in partner or group work and shares her science knowledge and talents with others. Owen is a curious, positive, and engaged science student. He has a great attitude and is always willing to enthusiastically give his best with any assignment. His love of learning is contagious, and he is sensitive and kind to others. Abby exemplifies a Titan. She takes responsibility for herself and others, is kind to all, teaches and supports peers, often an ambassador for new students, never gives up, and through it all has a fantastic attitude. Sophia is a quiet student who works very hard. She is polite and helpful and often stays after class to push in all the chairs that kids leave out, straightens up tables, and picks up paper and things that get left behind without being asked to help. Kodiak participates inside class discussions almost daily. He is always in a cheerful mood when entering the classroom. When doing labs, Kodiak finds creative ways to show his knowledge. Basil is a ray of sunshine and happiness. She radiates kindness, friendship, and is accepting to all. Basil is always willing to help anyone and works well with all students. She is a very artistic individual who always brings her awesome creativity into her science projects. AJ is truly a star student. Beyond having an incredibly strong singing voice, AJ consistently demonstrates all of the character strengths of the Path of a Titan, in particular, teaching and supporting others. Delana is a very hardworking student who goes above and beyond what is asked. She brings positive energy to the classroom with her enthusiasm and passion for music and inspires those around her. Grant walks the path of a Titan every day with his perseverance. He never gives up on his learning and is a great role model for other students. His attitude is consistently top-notch. Alex always comes to class knowing his music and how it fits with the entire ensemble. His abilities and incredible adaptability are amazing. Alex can play many wind instruments at a high level, which is rare for a middle schooler. These qualities have given him the ability to excel and support many students from all middle school grade levels. Great job, Titans!
We keep hearing the phrase walk the path of a Titan when we see students nominated for Titan Stars. Here's a quick video to show you how to demonstrate the path of a Titan.
Now that it's getting close to the end of the year, I've noticed I've had to study more. Some helpful studying tips I've learned is practicing flashcards with a partner. Let's learn about more studying tips.
Studying in middle school helps with achieving your goals later in life. We interviewed 2 students to get their suggestions.
Do you have any study tips or advice for people that are struggling?
I would say that if you want to study, you have to kind of figure out what learner you are, if you do better with reading or if you do it better with visual. If so, I would, let's say you're studying for a vocab test. If you were more of a visual learner, I would pair your words with images.
Flashcards helps a lot. Studying with family members or friends also helps.
What is your opinion on studying?
I think studying is very good. I think it helps kids get good grades.
How do you stay motivated when studying?
I don't. I pretty much just sit there after I get home for 3 hours with flashcards until I could answer the questions in my sleep.
I stay motivated because I want to get good grades, because then there's prizes if I get good grades.
What do you do when you study?
When I study, typically, kind of like I said, I use flashcards most of the time because they're easy for me to remember, especially when colored, because it gives you those brighter colors to help memorize. And there's certain colors like blue or red that resonate more with your brain, so it helps them click more.
What do you find difficult about studying?
If anything had to be difficult, it would probably be just the process of creating something to study with. That's why it's nice when teachers give you study guides, because it really helps you fill in that time slot rather than 2 hours of boredom creating an entire 64 pack of flashcards that you're only going to use once.
I find it difficult to remember what I'm supposed to be studying.
We also conducted a survey, and the results showed that more than half of the students study more than once, and 59% of them don't find it hard to study. Some of the students also recommended more tips, such as keep an open mind and don't bury yourself in work. Always do things in bits and pieces rather than looking at it as one big thing. Take 10 to 20 minutes a day, twice a week, to look it over, even if it's just reviewing what you did in class. And other things such as flashcards, music, and repeating it over and over again. In conclusion, study tips can help many people, so maybe you should try some out if you are struggling.
Do you have a hobby or talent that you're passionate about? West Press staff member Ryan Clark shared with us his woodworking talent.
Woodworking is working with wood, where you can make an array of items from tables, chairs, bars. You can even use it to make a wall. Having a good, decent job, making decent money. Most people who do woodworking, like myself, we make quite a bit just from selling one handmade table. I have recently made a table that was a live edge white pine tabletop with a matte polyair finish on it with red cherry legs.
Thanks for watching. This is West Press signing off.